All right, welcome back, guys. So today what we're gonna do is right below us here is the shower, okay? And there's a staircase going down, go around. So right underneath here is the shower. So what we need to do today is reconnect the shower vent. Now, the original shower vent was right here, or right around here. I think it was actually right here. So what I want to do here is walk up, step into the closet here. So here's the closet. And I'm going to get on this little ladder here. And so what I've done, and I know it's ugly, but it works. So there's the original shower vent. Now granted, this is just a vent, and the only thing it's going to be venting is this shower. So believe it or not, Home Depot sells a 60-degree coupling. So this is a 35-degree ceiling, but I left a little bit of play in here. Okay, so it should be enough to get that coupling on and then bring it straight down. So what we're gonna do is bring it straight down through the floor here. Now granted, this is just gonna be a closet. So again, I know it's ugly, and part of this is because I didn't plan very well on what I was gonna do with the shower vent. But so we're gonna get that coupling in, and then we're gonna put it down through the subfloor here. And we'll still be able to get at it from here, go down through the ceiling, and then hit the floor plate. So we're gonna have to turn back this way, and then go through the wall, the shower wall, which should be relatively close to about right here. So anyway, so fun stuff, here we go. Okay, so the pipe is in, and just glued that sucker in, drilled a hole through the floor here. So we should be able to see the pipe in there, coming down. There we go. So now we just gotta determine where that wall is, and we'll get that sucker put in. Okay, so let me turn my flashlight on here. So again, here's the vent pipe, right? Going through the wall, and that's where it comes down underneath. So there's the joint, so you'll know exactly where the shower is from upstairs. So let's go back up there and show you what we did. Okay, here we are back upstairs. So here's the joint. So this is about where the shower starts, right here. And if we take a look underneath there, there you go. Here's our joint, nice and tight. And then again, remember, this is just an air vent, right? So, and that's where it comes up above, up here, and then it does a 60-degree angle up and outside. So now all we gotta do is drill it through the floor plate in the shower underneath the house and connect it when we connect the shower drain. Awesome.